Hello and welcome to a new episode of the asynchronous classes or periods. Today we have the focus on lesson you find on your student's book, page 30. It's grade 12, unit 3, focus on, and we're going to talk about the Foreign Diplomatic Institute. So let's get started. Read, then answer the following question. We have a question here in this passage that we need to answer. It says, what kind of person does it take to become a successful diplomat? So I think from the title and from the question, you guess now we're talking about diplomats and the qualities that they should have. So if we go through the reading passage, you're going to find the answer to this question, which is yes. Okay, he should be good at English, he should have a strong personality, he must have self-confidence, and he should have leadership skills. All right, so by whom was the FDI, or the Foreign Diplomatic Institute, officially opened? Now, if we read here on line 5, if we go through it, officially opened by His Highness Sheikh Sabah Al Ahmed Al Jabir Al Sabah. So this is where we can find the answer, and we call this scanning. You can quickly scan for the names and the year in December of 2008. Now, the second question is, what are the aims of the Foreign Diplomatic Institute in Kuwait? So here we have aims that they want to have achieved by having this institute. So if we, again, if you read through the passage, right, you will find in the second paragraph, the Foreign Diplomatic Institute has three main aims. You have firstly, secondly, and thirdly. So the answer would be it aims at training diplomats and creating Kuwaiti diplomats and leaders, right? Now, according to Ambassador Al-Sharikh, what is the most important lesson the diplomats in training will learn in media relations? Now, he gave a very valuable piece of advice, and he said that he can never escape, yes, true, he can never escape media. If they don't know how to deal with the media, they will have lots of problems. Now, as we can tell here, all diplomat staff take different training than the new recruits, and we need to explain this. We have new recruits and old diplomats. So in another way, all diplomat staff take different training than new recruits explain. So we can say that all diplomats, according to the text, take refresher courses only. Just something to refresh their memories and skills, while new recruits learn for 12 months inside Kuwait and 6 months outside Kuwait. Now, the second part of the lesson is compound words, and a compound word such as well trained is formed by two words, okay, joined together, sometimes with a hyphen, and a hyphen is the small dash we have to make a new word. So when the two words are put together, the meaning of the new word has to contain elements of both. Now, let's see an example of this. You have the word arm and the word chair. When we put together, we have armchair, and that's a new thing. Bath and room, bathroom, bedroom, they become bedroom, blackbird, bluebell, bookshelf, and buttercup. So all these words are two words joined together, combined to make a new word, which has a separate meaning. Now, or the elements of both. So here we have examples in the text. We have many examples. So let's find some. The first one we can say is, yes, think tank. Here we have a hyphen in the middle of think tank, and it becomes a new word. The second word is far flung. Again, we have the same hyphen, and also we have three words here joined together: diplomats in training. We have here hyphenated words or three words. Now give three other examples of your own. Of course, if you think of the language that you learned so far, you can get three more examples, like, for example, teapot, postman, PlayStation, and so on. Now let's do a matching exercise. Match words from column A with words from column B to form compound words. Okay, so here we need to exercise the compound words and how to make them. Let's start with the word aged. And the word aged, yes, which one can we add at the beginning of the word to make a new word? Yes, very good, you guessed it correctly. We have middle and aged together, it becomes middle-aged. And the second word, way, we say highway, okay? Or we can say railway, and this time we'll take railway. Light, we're going to give it with high, and it's going to be highlight. What about the word sweet? Sweet. Very good. We can say bittersweet. Yes, bittersweet. And the last one goes with the last one. As you know, we have ball and we have foot. Yes, they become football. All right. Um, that's the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. And till the next lesson, goodbye.